Kajing Bompoi ke Voice of the People Party Shaka All Party Meeting ke Blapan Long Menha ke Hynrei Terek Jemang Arajar Penrio ke Blakot ke Sarkar Jala Ban Penshai Halor ke Kaiphod Expert Committee on Reservation Policy ke Lapan Long Yo Konrad Ki Sangma Ban Ong bagi day ban tray kat kum bagi kran. Habakran sekilat patai kubor hak nyo Terek Jemang Arajar Penrio ula ong bakal long ke basngusi bagi klampoi sekani ke Jingïalang wadhadian bagi la Dawa Hynrei kila pak penbanda ke siti bagi dan pada ki wiki kam ki bakongsan ibaki hap pendap.
What I would like to say is very simple, that one has to walk the talk. We are a parliamentary democracy, and the legislature is the highest level of our democracy. And it is there that we take up matters that are important to the people and the state. And as elected members, that's how we move in a democracy. And therefore, this entire structure has been enshrined in the Constitution based on a system, a political system that our forefathers had envisioned. Therefore, what is important is to live by letter and spirit of the Constitution and provisions of the parliamentary democracy. Based on that, during the debate and discussion when I had laid the report of the expert committee, that certain political parties from the opposition had demanded that an all-party meeting should be called to discuss this matter in detail, which is what I did. I gave a commitment and assurance to the House, and I went ahead with my assurance and called all the parties. But as I said, certain political party informed me that they will not be able to come because they have other issues, important issues that need to address. So what is important is when we are looking at an issue, then we must go all out for what we believe in. We have to take the options. This meeting was very important because in a constitution, in a government, in a democratic parliamentary democracy, these are the platforms in which you take up these issues and these matters. And it's not that we go to the streets for every single issue, especially when opportunities are being given in a democratic manner and constitutional manner to take up the matter and issue. And it's sad that certain political parties, though demanded it, but ultimately did not come for it.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.